For what purpose Elon Musk founded Chat GPT? Hello and welcome to The AI Capitalist, where we explore the latest developments in artificial intelligence and its impact on businesses and the economy. Before we dive into the main topic, let's talk about Chat GPT. For those who are already familiar with Chat GPT, feel free to skip ahead to the main topic. What is Chat GPT? Chat GPT is an AI-powered chatbot that uses natural language processing to understand and respond to human language. The chatbot was developed by Openai, an AI research lab co-founded by Elon Musk, among others. Applications of Chat GPT. Chat GPT has numerous applications in various industries. In customer service, it can provide instant assistance and support to customers. The chatbot can answer frequently asked questions, resolve issues, and provide personalized recommendations to customers. In healthcare, Chat GPT can provide medical advice and diagnosis to patients. The chatbot can analyze patient symptoms, provide information on medical conditions and treatments, and even recommend appropriate medications. In education, Chat GPT can provide personalized learning experiences to students. The chatbot can answer questions, explain concepts, and provide feedback on assignments. In journalism, Chat GPT can generate news articles and summaries automatically. The chatbot can analyze news stories, extract key information, and generate summaries or articles. Elon Musk's vision for AI. Elon Musk has been vocal about his concerns regarding artificial intelligence and its potential dangers to humanity. Despite his concerns, he recognizes the potential benefits of AI and its ability to transform various industries. His vision with Openai was to advance AI in a safe and beneficial manner. Musk believes that AI has the potential to significantly improve the quality of life for humanity. He sees AI as a tool that can help us solve some of the world's biggest problems, such as climate change, healthcare, and education. However, he also recognizes the risks associated with AI, particularly in terms of job displacement and the potential for AI to become more intelligent than humans. Openai's mission. To address these concerns, Musk founded Openai with the goal of advancing AI in a safe and beneficial manner. The company's mission is to ensure that AI is developed in a way that is aligned with human values and that it benefits all of humanity. Openai's research is focused on developing AI that is safe, transparent, and explainable. The company also aims to make AI more accessible to people and organizations around the world. The purpose of Chat GPT. So, for what purpose did Elon Musk found Chat GPT? The answer is simple: to make AI more accessible and advance it in a safe and beneficial manner. Chat GPT is just one of the many projects under Openai's umbrella that is aimed at achieving this goal. ChatGPT's development. ChatGPT was developed using a state-of-the-art AI technique called generative language models. The chatbot was trained on a vast amount of text data, allowing it to understand and generate human-like responses to a wide range of queries. The development of ChatGPT was a significant step forward in the field of natural language processing, demonstrating the potential of AI in the area of communication between humans and machines. The benefits of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has several benefits, including its ability to provide instant assistance to customers, its potential to revolutionize healthcare by providing medical advice and diagnosis, and its ability to provide personalized learning experiences to students. In addition, ChatGPT has the potential to reduce the workload of customer service representatives and medical professionals, allowing them to focus on more complex tasks. The future of ChatGPT and AI. As AI technology continues to advance, the potential applications of ChatGPT and other AI-powered tools will only increase. We can expect to see further development in the area of natural language processing, making it even easier for humans to communicate with machines. In addition, AI is likely to become more prevalent in various industries, such as finance, marketing, and manufacturing. However, as with any new technology, there are potential risks and concerns associated with the development and use of AI. The issue of job displacement, for example, is a concern for many people as AI technology becomes more capable of performing tasks that were previously done by humans. It is important for companies like OpenAI to consider the potential impact of AI on the workforce and to develop strategies for addressing these concerns. Conclusion. In conclusion, Chat GPT is a powerful example of how AI technology can be used to improve communication between humans and machines. Elon Musk's vision for AI is one that focuses on advancing the technology in a safe and beneficial manner. And Chat GPT is just one of the many projects that OpenAI is working on to achieve this goal. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the latest developments in artificial intelligence, be sure to subscribe to The AI Capitalist. Remember, the future is now, and we're excited to explore it with you. Thanks for watching.